They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Journal with me. So today I took inspiration from this page in a magazine called Somerset Life. It's a beautiful magazine and there's so many lovely images in there that I really didn't want to tear it up, but this one I could bear to take out. So it's tea themed. I love drinking tea and I just still want to have some calm images, because in case you've seen my last two episodes, I just really need inner peace right now, and so I need my pages to reflect that. I want them to be calm and not busy and just peaceful in general. So I decided to use this image with the teacup, and I just cut it up, and now I'm going to glue it into the journal. And then I'm going to take some white gesso just to mute the whole thing down, because obviously it's kind of hard writing on an image like that, at least where the T is. The other parts actually would be light enough. But yeah, I decided to mute it, and then originally my plan was to put some stamps on it, because I have some tea-themed stamps. But I end up doing something else. I just follow my intuition and I really like the result of it. And I don't have a lot of time for this spread actually, but I really wanted to make one because I haven't done one in a couple of days, and I kind of feel like I'm behind on making these videos, and also just because I felt like I needed the creativity for myself, for my peace of mind, and that's why I really wanted to take the time at least to make a quick spread like this. So here I just put the gesso down, and I know the page kind of has a few like wrinkles and some air underneath, but I don't really care so much. It's not perfect, but who needs perfect, right? So now I took out from my front pocket my scraps that I usually use in this notebook, and I try to stick to ones that have like grayish tones, not so much the brownish tones. So I find some with some Japanese writing on them, and I just put down a few more layers on top of that. Not too much, because as I said, I just wanted to keep it kind of calm. So this is a very simple spread actually, but I love the simplicity of it. So I'm just putting a few more layers down. And now instead of this stamping, I intuitively decided to just make some scribbles on over the layers of paper. I don't know why I thought of that all of a sudden, but I really loved the way it turned out. And then I go to my ideology word stickers from Tim Holtz, and I pick some that reflect what I've been thinking about. And so the words are believe possibilities. Actually, I wanted to say believe in possibilities, but it didn't have an in, so I just left it at believe possibilities, which is fine as well. And I just stuck those down, and then I just made a quick border with my very thin 0.1 marker, and then I just put the stamp down with my Great Recollections what are they called? Clip-on stamps. I think it's their name, and I just love these. I use them in a lot of my spreads. So after the date, I start journaling, and so I start journaling about this belief in possibilities. Basically, that when you close one door in your life, you make space for new things to show up in your life. And this is exactly what I'm going through at the moment. I have closed a door. I've made a huge change in my life, which will impact me in a few months. And I am very positive that there will be new doors that will open. So it's a very interesting time for me to see what will develop in the next few months. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye bye.